Important uses of water resources in India. Lifeline of living being, irrigational needs, agriculture, industrial sector, in domestic sector, hydroelectricity generation, navigation, sources of sports and recreation, sources of water, surface water, lake, pond, river, wetland, backwater network. Backwater network we get generally in Kerala, western coast of India. Sources of water, surface water, it includes rivers, lakes, ponds, tanks, etc. Due to topographical, hydrological, and other constraints, only 32% of the available surface water can be utilized. The Ganga, the Brahmaputra, and Indus River have large water resources because of large catchment area or river basin. These are glaciated rivers. Kerala, Orissa, and West Bengal have large lagoons and brackish lakes in vast indented coastline. Although water is generally brackish in these water bodies, it is used for fishing and irrigating certain varieties of paddy crops, coconut, etc. Brackish lakes, for example, Bhembanath Lake in Kerala, Chilka Lake in Odisha, catchment area or river basin, River Ganga, River Brahmaputra, River Indus. Sources of water, groundwater. Groundwater seeps into the ground through different layers of rocks, pervious and impervious rocks, and reaches the water table of groundwater zone, whereas surface water it flows over the land surface. The Ganga and Brahmaputra basin have large groundwater resources. The water from the rivers seeps into the ground, increases the soil moisture, and increases the groundwater zone. Groundwater is utilized more in the river basins lying in northwestern region, that is Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and parts of South India like Tamil Nadu. Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Kerala, etc. utilize only a small part of their groundwater potentials. Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Tripura, and Maharashtra utilize groundwater resources at a moderate rate. Surface water and groundwater differences. Surface water includes rivers, lakes, canals, whereas groundwater, wells and tube wells. Surface water is found on the land surface, whereas groundwater is drawn from below the surface. Running and flowing water is used for irrigation and power generation, whereas groundwater is generally used for domestic purposes and irrigation. Surface water, as it is open, that's why it is prone to evaporation and depends on rainfall. Groundwater remains as a storehouse as it is not prone to evaporation. Here river, it is open and that's why it is getting evaporated. It is part of the hydrological cycle. Whereas groundwater, as it is covered, so it does not get evaporated. What are the result of overusing groundwater? In drought-prone area like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Eastern Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. The overuse of groundwater has led to decline in groundwater table in Rajasthan and Gujarat, increased fluoride concentration in Maharashtra and Rajasthan, increased the concentration of arsenic in West Bengal and Bihar, increased salinity in the soil in Punjab and Haryana.